Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are fine. In our lecture today, we will define drama and its major types. So, what is a drama? It is a genre of literature, as we have previously studied, which refers to a story acted out, usually on stage, by actors and actresses who take the parts of specific characters. So, three important things here: a story acted out on stage should have actors and actresses. On the other hand, its major types can be as follows: tragedy, comedy, and mixed. So, the first type of a drama is tragedy. So, what is a tragedy? It is a kind of drama that refers to a serious play, or by extension a novel, represents the disastrous downfall of a central character or the protagonist. An example is William Shakespeare's Othello. However, one important kind of tragedy is called revenge tragedy. So, what is revenge tragedy? It is a kind of tragedy popular in England from 1590s to the 1630s. Its action is typically centered upon a leader character's attempt to revenge the murder of a loved one. Popular example is William Shakespeare's Hamlet. Hamlet is the hero of this play called Hamlet. The action of this play is centered around Hamlet's attempt to revenge the murder of his father. So it is a revenge tragedy. Also, in a tragedy, we have features of a tragic hero. So what are those features? Well, the tragic hero is usually a person of a high class, that is to say, a king, a prince, or a great leader. So this means that we should not have ordinary people here or from lower class. We should have only persons of a high class. Number two, there is a failure in his personality which leads him to his final downfall. Number three, at the end he becomes alien. He faces his disastrous end alone. Moving on to another type of drama, which is called a comedy. So, what is a comedy? It is a kind of drama which refers to a play written chiefly to amuse its audience, appealing to a sense of superiority over the characters depicted. So, in a comedy, we should have amusement. It should amuse the audience through making fun over the characters depicted by appealing to a sense of superiority over those characters. One kind of a comedy called comedy of manners. So what is comedy of manners? It is a comedy which deals with behavior of the people of court, that is to say, high class people, like hypocrisy, tricks, or intrigue. One example is She Stoops to Conquer, a comedy of manners by Oliver Goldsmith. Moving on to the mixed types of a drama. So, what do I mean by mixed types of a drama? Actually, there are many mixed types of a drama, but the most common, also called serial-comic, are melodrama and tragicomedy. On one side, we have a melodrama then. So, what is a melodrama? The term melodrama refers to a dramatic work that exaggerates plot and characters in order to appeal to the emotions. It is part of serial comic forms in drama, and it comes from music drama. So, major characteristic in a melodrama is exaggeration in both plot and character in order to appeal to the emotions of the audience. The second type of mixed drama is called tragicomedy or tragicomedy. It is part of serial comic forms in drama, and it is a play that presents a tragic situation within a comic play or a comic situation within tragic play. That was the end of our lecture today. For further reading, please refer to this reference. Next lecture, we will start with reading the one-act play called Tribals by Susan Laspel. Thank you very much for your time and good luck.